obesity is fake news.
Put your feet out, and then that way we could
Oh, true.
This isn't comfortable.
suck it up.
One of you put your feet out. Okay.
Hello. Welcome back to my channel.
I'm here again, unfortunately.
So I just got the James Charles palette. Sexy. So we're gonna follow one of James Charles's YouTube videos.
And on our lovely model here.
So it's gonna be a competition of who does it better. It's probably gonna be her.
I think they're both gonna do an equally bad job.
They're real tea.
I mean, yeah.
Use code James for 10% off.
So this is sponsored by Audible. So Randy's gonna go first because we only have one brush.
We're gonna go and mix those. Which one is cola?
I'm not going to put too much on here because I have a lot of colors that I need to fit in this eye look today.
Oh, wait,
And now
okay.
that I have 4, 5, 6 brushes.
Nope, fake news.
I don't like this. I feel like the camera's really close to my face and I don't like it.
It's not. I tried. I'm sorry, James Charles.
How's step 1 look?
Okay.
Okay. Fix it.
Oh, I won't. It's only gonna get worse. Oh no, it's already getting worse. This is so bad.
And I
This
don't
is so bad.
Going back in the
Oh
Yes.
Oh, this is so bad.
Yes.
I'm going to grab this.
Yes.
Am I getting paid for this?
I'm not even getting paid for this.
Yeah, but that doesn't
And
mean
you
I
too.
shouldn't be. Everyone, Randy doesn't pay her workers. That's in violation of the Workers' Rights Act.
Low to the eyelid because we have a lot
Get
of
your
colors.
fingers
I
out of my
basically
face.
so I have a few more colors that I need to add over top of it. So I don't want using those stamping and patting motions to get the pigment.
Oh, I was not
first,
doing that.
And then over to
Oh my god, this does not look like that. Oh, now I have to blend this. It looks like I beat her up.
I don't like this. Everyone knows what this looks like except me.
It looks like I beat you up. Like,
It
I
looks-
don't know how else to explain
Just
it.
to explain it well, it looks not good.
Close your eye, wish me luck. Not going on your eyebrow, it's just going above your eyebrow. Or below your eyebrow. I know direction.
It better fucking be below my eyebrow. It's bright orange. Don't touch my eyebrow.
There was nothing there. Okay, but tell me it doesn't look like I beat her up.
Damn, it looks like she has a really bad eye infection.
You're the filmer, you're not the commentator. Sorry, Francis, we're only halfway.
God help me.
on the
It basically looks the same, I think, as his.
Just kind of that shade of white on there.
Ooh, yes.
Don't even. Just shut up. Can't look any worse.
Oh no! How'd you get it under her eye?
What? Okay.
Look up.
Quit giggling and get it off.
Oh, I made it worse. There's no hoping. I'm so sorry, James.
I think you owe me the apology.
Hey, you agreed to this.
It's a delivery app that lets you order from all your favorite local restaurants.
This came with code James for 10% off my life.
I guess that's Are You Kidding and Beat. Are You Kidding and Beat is incidentally what's gonna happen to you after this is over.
Oh god, this is so bad. I'm so sorry.
The lighting is so bad.
I mean, so is the makeup.
True. Just a whole flop.
Oh no.
I wish your video was like getting hit by a train instead.
Getting hit by a train tag.
Wellness is one eye all complete.
Oh, thank God, because you said like 4 finalies here, buddy. Giggle one more time and I will rip your laugh box out.
It's pretty bad.
Alright. Close your eye and look up. We're applying a light dusting of cocaine. When you get the package of cocaine, you could get actually 50% off with code James at your local drug dealer.
Yeah, I guess we're just gonna do that and hopefully it looks good. Alright, so I just went ahead and zoomed you guys in a little bit.
Congrats! Forever!
I'm first gonna go to my
Makeup artists right here.
M456 brush and dip into the shade Single, which is the
Wow, my shade. Fluttering your eyelids.
Sorry.
She's so nervous after what I fucking did to her.
It's true. This is kind of fun.
When she's doing it.
Yeah, I can feel Julia's like soft feminine fingers on my head. It's kind of nice.
Boys, if you're looking for some soft feminist fingers.
Feminist.
Now,
When your fingers are feminists. Yours is already better than mine. Fuck.
I mean, not that it was hard. Okay, we're not trying to push my eyeball into my skull.
Pushing the eyeballs. Skull tag.
Oh, Julia spit on my eyelid. Laughing so hard.
That's how you prime it.
Follow me on Twitter.
Don't follow her on Twitter.
My Twitter is randyeatsass.net.
.net.
How is your Twitter a .net?
Twitter handle. randyeatsass.com was taken, so low-key, I am like so gay right now. Like every time Julia puts her hand on my head, I'm like, ooh.
You hear that, guys? She's gay for Julia.
I think
No, that's not what I mean. I'm just gay in general. Plus, Julia likes it when I give her compliments.
I think you're just a lady who's craving a woman's touch.
I mean,
I'm praying Julia has makeup wipes.
I feel like if I had never heard Julia talk, I would have a crush on her. But like now, because of her words, it's like a little ruined.
So basically, Julia, you're not ugly. You're just stupid.
Yeah.
This is the nicest they've ever been to me. You can always read a book, but you can't get a good nose.
What happens when you let it
Almost done.
wiggle?
Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Wiggle. Little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to.
Look at that pigment.
This is how.
This is
women
my favorite
favor each
color.
other.
It's so beautiful. You need to get your eyebrows waxed. Look up.
Use those feminist
Bring your
fingers.
face.
Feminism.
Put your hands on my dick and paws and shit. Okay, now frick last shit.
Disgusting.
Just have to grab a tiny little bit of Escape and use this. Finally,
Escape?
last but not least,
Escape.
If I could escape,
Escape.
every create a place with my own world.
Own world. I wish I could escape Loki. Don't these look better? Like,
We look.
what happens?
Nothing.
So does one of these look better, or are they both like equally bad?
Mine's
Comment
worse.
down below which one is better. Hey, if nothing else, we can use the pictures of my eyes like those advertisements for the National Domestic Violence Hotline.
You're right.
Alright, well.
Tell us in the comments who won and who should kill themselves.
So they're both not good.
Ready? I haven't seen this yet, people. So you guys have all seen this before me, literally. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, you guys! This is fucking horrific. Oh, this yellow. Oh my god, Randy, yours really does look like a gigantic bruise. Oh my god.
Alright, so
A little better, still bad, but like it looks more like bad eye makeup and less like I got hit in the face. Yeah, exactly. Okay, well, everybody, comment down below who won, Julia or Randy, or if you feel like I do that they should both kill themselves. Write that down too.
so thanks for watching.
I love you. I'm sorry that I suck at doing makeup. Used to be a beauty
I
channel.
win.
This is like, they're like, you never wear makeup. Like, this is why I'm never wearing it ever again.
This is the last time I used the James Charles palette.
So now, bonus, some ASMR. Okay, bye.